Hello, what's up? Today I want to talk about how to remove duplicates from a sorted or an unsorted array. So without declaring a new array to achieve that. So first let's discuss the simplest scenario here. Taking the input array, and our goal is to remove all the duplicates. So first thing we do is declare a last index and initialize with value 0. Then we can do a for loop at index of equals to 1 as small than input array dot length I plus plus. Alright. So after this is done, we can do the check. Input array I is not equals to input array at index of last index. So if that's the case, for example, 1 is not equal to 0, so then we push 1 to the next position of 0. Because our array is sorted, we know all the duplicates is right behind its original value. So we just push the unique ones to the forward to the front. Then we remove all the duplicates that's left. Should do, right? So in here we can do alright, so then our array should be only having unique values on the front. Let's test our solution. So not remove duplicate from array. 0 to 4 is on the front, and 2 to 4 duplicates is in the end. So what we can do here is remove the duplicates. So let array length equals to input array dot length. We store the original length property, alright? Then what we can do is another for loop that index equals to our last index plus 1, and I should be smaller than input array. Okay, should smaller than our array original array length plus plus. In here we do the pop. Okay, great. So now our array should be duplicate free. So let's log our input array 0 to 4. Correct. So what happens when our input array is unsorted? Like this. What we can do is to use a sort algorithm here, called sort algorithm. So what we can do here is using a built-in one first. Probably look at this. Sort, okay. A and B, having A minus B. If it's positive, push the B forward. Okay. 0 to 4, correct. So what if this is not allowed as well, and you don't have time to write your own sorting function? Then I suggest you use a recursive function when dealing with unsorted array. Unsorted array, yes. So function remove duplicate takes in input array like this, right? And in here you do the for loop first. So that I equals to 0 and I smaller than input array dot length and I plus plus. And in here you store the reference first. Then okay. Then you write the immediately invoked function. Probably called tracer should do. Current indexed. And the first layer should be I plus 1. Alright. So in here you can first check if your current index exceeds the limit. Probably put array dot length. You return, and if current, so input array at the index of current index is equals to our reference, then we can do the swap. So let temp equals to reference, let current index equals to input we can do the pop the duplicate. Then we can do trace push forward current index +1. No, we use the same current index here. So else trace current index +1. So in the end of this, I think our array will be sorted again. So, oh, okay, we failed to do the pop. No worries. So now we just need to debug our solution and see what happened there. Okay, I think we have find the part where it goes wrong. Okay. Yes, you can see now our array is sorted. So yeah, I think these are some of the ways, probably not the best, but surely very intuitive solutions for removing duplicates inside of an array. I hope it's helpful. Thank you for watching and have a good day.